Welcome. This is the best ICT Gold Traders channel, and I'll be doing a weekly outlook. Next week is CPI week. Okay. I'm not gonna be trading Monday. I'll just tape read. I have exams to prepare for also. Yeah, I think I'll trade after CPI. Yeah. But as far as I'm concerned, this is the monthly chart. Alright. Let's go to the weekly. Traded to this inefficiency, respected it, went higher. Traded to the wick, 50% of this week. As you can see, I marked that out. Failed to change the state of delivery. That shows bearishness, honestly. And I went down to the daily, swept this previous day low, failed to even reach 50%. That's bad. That shows bearish strength. And then for our some people look at this up close candle and say, oh my god, this is an auto block. Nah, I do not look at auto blocks that way. Okay, I'm looking at this inversion there. That's that's good. It shows bearishness. Even though I was long on Friday, yeah, I did see that we were failing to expand higher. I needed big candles, but we failed to get that. This was my drawn liquidity. Look how we're. I wanted this hourly inefficiency to fail, but looks like we just changed the state of delivery during New York PM session, and I'll be looking at 50% of this wick. Yeah, I'll be looking at 50% of that. But honestly, I kind of have a neutral bias until we get some. But gun to my head, Monday is gonna be a bearish day. That's gun to my head because it was a very slow Friday, and as you can see, this is just bearish order flow. Breaker, order block. Now that I'm looking at it, yeah, order block, Beverly Gap, order block. This order block failed. I didn't say it failed. I don't want to say it failed, but it failed to reach the target. This was the previous day low, swept, changing state of delivery. I mean, there's just nothing much more to say than Monday. I think it's just gonna be a bearish day. Yeah. And where will would we be trading to? Like I said, I once marked this liquidity void right there. And this my eye was on this discount busy. Yeah, that was really where my eye was. So wick CE, internal range liquidity, external range this low right there. Swap previous week low. I think swap previous week high, and then now maybe that's my. I don't want to say maybe, but most probably that's our drawn liquidity because, like I said, on the weekly we failed to change the state of delivery after trading to this BC right there. This candle supposed to close above it if you were really bullish, and on the lower time frame, as you can see, is just in this case lower time frame is the hourly. Yeah, as you can see, it's just very short of flow. Yeah, that's just it for me. And good luck, good trading next week. I am not gonna trade on Monday. I'm just gonna be tape reading and studying for my exams. I'll only trade Tuesday before CPI or after CPI. Just depend on the market condition. As you can see, that's the liquidity void I labeled. It just so happened to be coupled with this, yeah, fair value gap on the on the weekly. Let's see the daily chart. see that inversion right there also. Yeah, that shows bearishness. Bearishness. Yeah, price is just failing to go high. I'm a bit under the weather, so that's just it for the video. Oh my god. Good luck, good trading. Have a great week of trading next week. And may God bless anyone that finds this channel.